So this is how my first CNC project will look like. It has a frame from old oak wooden floor, and the x-axis will be driven by NEMA 17 standard stepper motor, which will be connected with a clutch to a threaded M8 rod, and X-drive axis slider is driven by the 3D printed part, and it's on the linear bearings SBR 20 model. The Y drive, as you can see, it also has a printed part. It's printed from resin, and here we have standard bearings, and the Z-axis of design stage 1. As you can see, it's on Y and Z axis are on plane bearings in design stage 1. In design stage 2 it's changed to linear bearings, and it also has a CNC house, which plexiglass will be mounted later to catch all the dust that machine will produce. And that's how CNC house will look like. I created also an electrical box with stepper drivers inside and Arduino to control the machine.